What's going on, my friend? Online coach Garrett here. Now, chances are you're watching this video because you want to know how to make consistent money on Facebook. Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you 4 powerful steps that I've personally used to generate thousands of dollars just using my simple Facebook profile, okay? Now, to share with you some proof real quick, this is one of the programs that I was promoting on Facebook. And as you can see in my email, congratulations for a sale, congratulations for a sale. And I mean, I can just scroll and scroll and scroll, and virtually every single day I was getting sales, okay? Now, I'm actually with another opportunity right now that's even easier and more money that you make per sale. But I just wanted to share with you real quick before I dive into these powerful tips, what it works, okay? It actually works, okay? And I can go back and you can see this, different pages, okay? So how exactly do you start making sales just using your Facebook profile? Well, there's actually 4 simple steps that I'm gonna walk through. The very first step, okay, because people ask me this all the time, how do you do it? Because a lot of people are out there promoting. Maybe you're promoting on Facebook. Maybe you've been talking to people. Maybe you've been posting, and you're not really making the consistent sales or money that you truly want. Well, these 4 steps, as I walk through, and especially towards the end of the video, which I'll share with you how to even go further on exactly how to do this to the next level, this is gonna really help you, my friend, okay? So the first thing you need to do is you need to promote a high converting product or opportunity. If you want to make money on Facebook, you need to be selling something, okay? There's just no other way about it. If you want to make money, you have to get people to buy through your order page, okay, or your sign up page. So if you're not currently having a product or you don't have an opportunity, what I'll actually do is include my number 1 recommended system and opportunity below, so you can just plug into that, start promoting, and earning 100% commissions instantly, okay? But let's assume you already have a high converting product. What's the next step? Well, number 2 is crucial, and that is you have to brand yourself, okay? So if you look at my profile right here, nowhere on here am I mentioning any company, okay? Now, sometimes you may see me actually mention the company name, and you may think that kind of goes against this, but that's because I've built up a brand. I have over 6,000 people following me, which I basically used a lot of the techniques that I'm sharing with you in this training video to do. But when you're just starting or you don't have a big brand, you don't want to mention your company, and you want to brand yourself, okay? People join people, not companies. I see a lot of people, they plaster their company all over their profile, and they're wondering why they're not making sales. And the issue is, 1, there's no mystery, so people know exactly they know exactly what company you're in, but also they don't relate to a big corporation or company, okay? So you want to brand yourself. Now, let's assume that you branded yourself. The third thing you have to do if you want to make money on Facebook efficiently and working about an hour or so, because you can spend all day on Facebook, but I'm all about autopilot, I'm all about passive and quick income, is you want to get massive engagement for social proof, okay? So what exactly do I mean? Maybe you don't know what social proof actually is. Social proof is basically if someone sees someone else doing something, they're more likely to do it as well. So when you're on Facebook, if you're getting at least 50 plus likes, that's really the goal, okay? Obviously, if you can get, at least right here, I got 74 likes, okay? On another one right here, I have 113 likes, 13 comments, okay? Believe in it's possible. Awesome pick, bro. Great post. Have a wonderful weekend. Okay, so I'm getting great engagement. Now, what happens is when someone's following me on Facebook and they see that I got over 100 likes on my post, they go, obviously this guy's a leader. Obviously this guy knows what he's doing. I'm interested in finding out more information. But if you're just getting 2 to 3 likes on your Facebook post, people aren't going to be, ready to join because they think, why doesn't this person have a lot of engagement? Are they successful? Are they struggling? People are going to really wonder. So that's the next thing, okay? And it makes it a lot easier, and you really want to work on building up your engagement, okay? And number 4, and a lot of people go wrong on this, and I want to set the record straight. See, a lot of people think they can just get engagement and just make tons of sales. Now, you can make some sales here and there by just getting good engagement, but oftentimes, and even if you're watching this video, maybe you're struggling to get sales, maybe you're getting pretty good engagement and you're wondering why people aren't buying. I used to, a couple years ago, when I would get pretty good engagement, I used to wonder, like, why wasn't I making that many sales? Because I thought it mattered. Well, it obviously matters to brand yourself as a leader, but it doesn't matter as far as sales as much as people think. You want to connect and actually start closing through the messenger, the messenger app and the private messages. So, if I go back to here, you want to connect and close with a proven script. A lot of people, they're on Facebook and they don't really know exactly what to say in the message, or they don't have a proven script that they're actually following that gets consistent sales. See, if you're trying to make up what you're saying to people, or you're saying something different each time, not only is that taking a ton of effort to think, but you're not getting consistent results. And again, you have to actually reach out and connect with people, okay? Because it's one thing, people can see you, people can like your post, but at the end of the day, you have to actually make connections in the private messenger. A lot of people don't realize that, and they wonder why they're struggling. So you want to connect with people through the messenger, and then you want to use a proven script, okay? Now, if you're watching this video right now, first off, I hope you enjoyed my 4 proven steps. These are the steps that I personally used, again, to make these consistent sales every single day, as well as my students make these sales. But you may be wondering, okay, how exactly do I brand myself, right? How exactly do I start building engagement? How do I get a lot of likes and a lot of engagement? What are the strategies there? You may be wondering, okay, Garrett, like, how do I connect? What do I exactly say in the private messenger to get consistent sales? Well, I want to share with you, like I said, you can dive deeper. If you're serious, I want to offer you a very, very affordable way that you can take this further. And it's actually my brother Peter Berry's course. Okay, now what you have to realize is my brother Peter Berry, he's a Facebook marketing expert. And I just want to share with you some of his results. I'm going to include a link directly below where you can actually get access to his course. Okay, it's not hundreds and hundreds of dollars. It's extremely affordable, and I just want to share with you some of the results people have gotten after they've gone to the link below and they've just invested a tiny, tiny investment. You can see right here, this person messaged my brother, Peter, your system literally changed my business. My first $1,200 week, putting in my 2 weeks, man, thanks, okay? Absolutely incredible. And, you can see right here, awesome. I just purchased your course and it's well worth more than the cost. Keep up the great work, okay? Flooded with testimonials. And again, it's very affordable. But let me share with you also what you're gonna get access to in the course. When you buy the course below, you're actually gonna get access to his exact step-by-step strategies on how he's getting massive engagement. As you can see, this post that he posted a couple days ago got over 600 likes. Okay, if I zoom in a little bit there, he got over 600 likes. I mean, I've personally hardly seen anyone on Facebook get over 600 likes, and I've actually, he's my brother, but I've actually gone through the course myself, and it's absolutely mind-blowing that he's giving away all this value for such the extremely low price. And again, you can get access to it below, but I just want to share with you that it's 387 likes. He's getting all these likes and daily sales, and he covers exactly that. He covers a script that you can literally copy, paste to people to start making sales. That's how this guy made $1,200 his first week, or he made his first $1,200 week, and now he's quitting his job, okay? So again, I hope you enjoyed these tips, my friend. If you did, be sure to like the video, share it with your business partners, share it with anybody that you think you can help. And last but not least, go down below. If you're serious, get access to this and watch the sales roll in. It's absolutely incredible. You may think I'm a little biased because he's my brother. You saw the proof, you saw the engagement. I can't recommend it enough, my friends. So go ahead and do that. Thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next training.